Lunch break. What do the students eagerly wait for in the school? What do you think? All kids wait for the games period and last bell to leave the school. But there is one more thing that children wait for, and that is lunch break. Because all the children gather together during lunch break. They eat their tiffin and do mischiefs. Like all the children, our friend Gattu and Chinky also go to school. And what do you think they like? One day, Papa asks Gattu and Chinky, Gattu Chinky, which time of the school do you like the most? Gattu quickly answered Papa's question.
Papa, I like games period most.
And what about you, Chinky?
I like lunch break. Oh yes, I also like lunch break.
Papa started laughing after hearing the answers of Gattu Chinky and said, Okay, go to sleep. You have school tomorrow. You will get to enjoy your favorite lunch break only if you go to school. After hearing this, Gattu Chinky went to their room. But suddenly Gattu remembers something and he whispers to Chinky.
Chinky, did you forget about tomorrow's plan? We are going to do a party in the lunch break. Oh yes, and we have decided that everyone will bring delicious dishes in their lunchbox. I totally forgot about it.
When Gattu reminded Chinky about the party, she got excited and called Mummy.
Mummy? Mummy?
Mummy came over there after hearing Chinky's voice and asked her,
What happened, Chinky?
What will you give us in tiffin tomorrow?
Roti and potato vegetable? Why, what happened? Is there something special tomorrow?
Yes, Mummy, you can call it special.
Is there someone's birthday tomorrow?
No, Mummy.
So what is it?
Gattu Chinky wanted that Mummy should give them something special in tiffin. But she had no idea what Gattu, Chinky and their friends have planned for lunch break. That's why Mummy kept asking questions like what, why and how. So Gattu Chinky replied,
Chinky, please explain everything to Mummy in details and why we are asking to make her something special for tomorrow's tiffin.
Before Gattu finished his last sentence, Chinky started telling Mummy about the tiffin party that was planned tomorrow.
Oh, so that's the reason. Alright,
So what are you going to make tomorrow?
it will be a surprise for you.
Gattu and Chinky were excited hearing this.
But first, go to your room and sleep.
Next day, Gattu and Chinky woke up by themselves and got ready for the school. Both are very excited to find out what Mummy is going to give in their tiffin. They went into the kitchen, but their tiffin boxes were already packed. So they couldn't find out about the surprise. They went to the school and met their friends. Bunty, Goody, Hari, Raju and all of their friends were already present in the class.
Hey, Gattu and Chinky is here. You guys are late. I wonder if you were coming or not. How can we miss today's fun in the lunch break? It's party.
Gattu, Chinky and all of their friends were very excited. They were eagerly waiting for the lunch break to start so that they can have their fabulous party. First period started. Gattu and Bunty were talking to each other. Bunty was telling what he had brought in his tiffin when Sir caught them talking. What is going on over there? Gattu, Bunty, stand up.
Nothing, sir.
You tell me, Bunty, what were you guys whispering about?
Nothing, sir.
They were
Lunch break.
Bunty almost spilled about lunch break. What? What did you say?
No, sir. We were just talking about
Pay
something.
attention to studies. Stop talking during class. Gattu wisely controlled the situation. Else whole class would have learnt that Gattu, Chinky and their group has planned something for the lunch break. Classes continued one by one and now it was geography period before lunch break. Lunch break was going to start as soon as the lecture was over.
Oh, this geography period is very boring for me. For me too. I am only tolerating it because it comes before lunch. Otherwise, I would have slept during this lecture.
It was true. Everybody in the class was bored. Maybe they were hungry. It seems like they were waiting for lunch break.
I have bought hot parathas in my tiffin. They must have gotten cold by now. this period is going on and on.
Hari was so hungry that he forgot all about geography, classroom, and other things and had started talking about food. Everyone was waiting for lunch break. It was clear from their faces that all the children in the class were hungry. And that's when they heard ring for lunch break. But the children were so lost in their thoughts that they didn't even realize it. But Hari shouted loudly.
Gattu Chinky, it's lunch break. Yay!
And then he realized that geography ma'am is still in the class. Gattu, Chinky and his team thought teacher is going to shout at them. But teacher looked at them and smiled and said,
Enjoy your lunch break.
and the children started enjoying. Children started running towards ground with their tiffin. Gattu, Chinky, Hari, Raju, Guddi and all sat under a tree in a shadow. All of them had brought their favorite dishes in the tiffin.
Everyone, start showing what all you have in your tiffin one by one.
As Chinky said, all the children started opening their tiffin one by one. They were telling what they had brought.
I have bought parathas. What about you, Bunty? I have bought masala dosa with cheese. Wow! So yummy, yummy.
Everybody opened their tiffin. There were chole bhature, masala rice and many other dishes. Everybody opened their tiffin except for Gattu and Chinky. They still hadn't opened it. Surprise was yet to be revealed.
Gattu Chinky, what have you brought? Show us.
It's a surprise even for us. That's alright, but open it. Let's see what is in it.
Gattu Chinky opened their tiffin. It has delicious looking matar paneer and garlic naan. And along with it, there were sweet gulab jamuns.
Wow, gulab jamun, my favorite. It's my favorite too.
I too. This is really great surprise, Gattu and Chinky.
Then all of them ate their tiffin. Parathas, paneer and chole bhature that Hari had brought, they shared their tiffin and finished everything. Of course, they were having fun while eating. After that, they ate gulab jamun and praised Gattu Chinky's surprise. That means their mummy's surprise tiffin.
If you like our videos, then like it, comment on it and subscribe it.